So, thought I'd do a little bit of a video to demonstrate what my ham radio antenna situation is right now. I set myself up, it's a 40-meter off-center fed dipole. Supposed to do 10 through 40, and with a tuner you can get a bit higher. So anyhow, I'll flip it around so you can see it. So up there is the center point. You can kind of see it there. And one leg of it goes down over here. So you can see the wire. It's right there. And it's tied off to that branch right there. And then the other one, there's a feed point for the Unan and the coax. But there's the other wire. It goes all the way to there. And that's my my J pole, which looks like it kind of is leaning a bit. I'm gonna have to fix that. And it's tied off in that tree over there. So it's not a terrible setup, but it gets the job done. The coax then feeds back into the porch. So, but yeah, that's what I'm working with. Pretty straightforward. I need to get it up a bit higher. It's not at the completely optimal height. I need to get it up about 35, 40 feet to get it to work properly. But where it's at now gets the job done. So I tried throwing something up higher, get it up over that branch. Well, actually you can't see it, hold on. Get it up over that branch there. So you can see it's on this branch. I'm gonna try and get it up over that branch. It's my next attempt. And then it should be high enough to do what I wanted to do. So anyhow, I'm gonna try and fix my J-pole right now because it really shouldn't be leaning like that. So until next time, 7-3s. Okay, so I changed my antenna setup a bit. Got it higher up. So I'm gonna show you where it's at now. So I'm gonna flip it around. There's the feed point. It's way up there now. Kind of see the center point there. Right there. And then it goes over and it ties off similar place way over here. You see where the wire goes now. It's up there and ties off pretty much right there. And the other end goes all the way down over into the backyard and ties off right there. You see where it's tied off. So yeah, it's working a lot better now. So and the coax runs down here over to the back porch, and then it's also, that's the line that goes up to the tree branch. So it's about a bit higher now. It was over on that branch there. Now it's up a bit higher. So yeah, it's working significantly better now. I get out a lot further and am receiving a lot better signals. So still got to work on the J-pole. I actually ordered a different dual band antenna. We'll see how that works. You know, it's interesting with that J-pole, like I'm not able to hit repeaters I can hit with this. This is my Comet SBB7, which is on the back of my car, just mounted like that. And I'm able to hit repeaters with that one, but I can't hit with that J-pole way up there. So I don't know what's going on with that. So I ordered a different one. We'll see how that works. On a side note, here's my motorcycle. So I got this like pollen or something going all over my bike, and it's causing it to rust. So it had been sitting in the garage, you know, because I was OTR, and the rust is getting pretty bad on it. I think it's the pollen that's causing it, and I think it's coming from that tree. That tree is evil, but it was sitting in the garage over here by the electric car charger. So, yeah, I figured it was okay, but yeah, it was parked right there. And this is all stuff from the room we're cleaning out. We were using the room for storage. We're clearing it out so I could actually set it up as my man cave. So still working on organizing everything, but yeah, I don't know what the deal is with the bike. So once I start getting some money coming in, I'm gonna find someone to detail it and just clean it and polish it and whatnot, and hopefully we can recover from all that rust, because it's gotten pretty bad. I'm probably gonna hose it down myself, see what I can do about the pollen that's on it right now. But yeah, it's kind of annoying. So anyhow, that's it for now. The first part of this video I kind of put together just haphazardly and meant to put it up unlisted just to show a friend, and accidentally made it public, so oops. But luckily I didn't put anything too revealing in there, so we'll get that put together and done a little bit better, and then I will go ahead and pop up the completed video, which is what this will be. So anyhow, that's it. 7.3s for now. Hope you guys enjoyed this, and I'll probably throw in some screenshots of how the antenna's been working. So 7.3s. It's WE5 MAG, the trucking hand.